Welcome, this is the Motorola Moto G14 and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. Now let's open the control panel first, and now just if you want to add here some options or remove some of them, or just to change the positions of the icons here, we should just click to this edit one. And you'll see here that down section with invisible options which you could add to your panel. And to add them, we should just hold the icon and just drag it to the subsection. By this way, just hold the icon and drag it. To remove some of the options from here, by the same way, hold the icon and drag it to the down section. As you can see, that's so simple. And to change the positions of the icons here on the panel, you should just hold the icon and drag it. To reset all of the changes, click on the right upper corner to these three dots and tap to reset, or to save the changes, just tap to go back, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.